Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about Microsoft Corporation, and I have talked about this stock in my previous videos as well. And as far as my opinion is concerned, if you think that how long it will go, how far it will go in the months or in the years to come, then nobody has a clear idea about, and none of the analysts in the entire world. Okay, it doesn't matter how educated he and she is, it doesn't matter how well experienced they are, nobody has a sense of the movement of the stock, the exact movement of the stock. It's all depend upon the situation and the buying and the selling which has happened in that particular moment. If they are lucky enough, if somebody is lucky enough, he or she may get the opportunity to reap off the profit or the benefits generated out of it simply by holding it rather than blabbering about the targets and the levels. Okay, so I'm saying that because there is no level which is sacrosanct. A trend is a trend which is understandable, okay, which I can see, which I can at least follow, okay, and calculate it. Otherwise it's just wishful thinking. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is talk about the trend which you can see, which you can believe, and which you can calculate. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now I'm just, or rather without doing any further ado, what I'm going to do is going to tell you the simple thing which you can follow, and what you need to do is follow the support and resistance. That's it. Okay, this is the long-term chart of Microsoft, and if you are holding it for long, it is important to tell you the benefits and about the long-term compounding. So from the lows of 1986 to the highs of 1999, it has given you 63,000% worth of returns. Okay, and you can see that how many splits the stock has given with those returns. So right now those who are holding it for 1986, 1990, you can see that the kind of dividends they are getting is 10 times than their actual investment value. Okay, and if you are holding it till now, so as you can see here, the returns are 100,000, lakh. So it is 220, 300,000%. So these kind of returns you won't get. And there is one more thing which one need to understand, that somebody thinks this has given it all. Okay, now what one can expect after this kind of returns, humongous return? Then believe me, neither you nor I, we don't know anything about the returns, because life of a company or life of a product which is known to the entire world, so you cannot simply call it because your lifetime is limited. So talking about the trend, here is your support line, here is your big support line. Okay, so big trend, big support line, what you can see in this particular stock right now. Okay, so here you have your support line, and what does the target looks like, and what and how does the target looks like. What you need to do, if you follow the trend, if you believe in the trend, and probably if you believe what you can see, uh, and you can believe the thing which you can see here right now, so this is your target, as simple as that. Okay, so this is like a shut up kind of movement. So if you believe the trend, and moreover if you believe the things what you can see, it's all about there is nothing which is hidden in front of you. You have a simple trend. It is like, if you can believe what you can see, then you can make money. Okay, what you need to do here is just follow the trend. What is your risk? Probably the risk is your stop loss, nothing else. If the time when you mix your emotion with the money, you are bound to lose. if you are mechanical in your process, if you are disciplined enough, you will bound to make lots of money. So here you have your important support and resistance levels, which you can see here. So your big support will come at $114. Okay, so below that the trend will be over, and one should not hold any level below 114. Okay, now on the upside you have your first target or resistance at $308, and if it crosses that, then you will have a range in between 460 and $926, because we don't know the exact movement. And your big target in the future, okay, will be in between 2700 and $6,000. Okay, because let me just explain you, because we don't know whether the stock will go like this or this. So after this line where it says it's a level of 308, okay, after this line we don't know the exact movement, that's why I have taken this range in between 460 and $926. And if it indeed makes other, if it becomes a resistance, that's a different case. But if it indeed makes a breakthrough above that, so you have a big target for multiple years. If you can hold it for long, at least 3 to 5 years or more, maybe 7, 10 or more years, so you can see a target which will be in between 2700 and 6400 in the years to come. So it is just the thing, it is just the trend which you can see and which you can believe. If you can see the trend, and moreover whatever you can see, if you can believe it, you are bound to make money. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.